Forgotten username recovery failed on OpenBank project fix. If you've tried to recover your username through the OpenBank project and it's not working, here's what you need to know. Most people don't realize that the OpenBank project isn't a consumer banking service, it's an open source platform that helps banks build secure financial apps. In simple terms, it's a bridge for developers and institutions, not an account manager for individual users. That's why direct username recovery usually fails. So, how do you fix it? The key is understanding where your actual account is hosted. If you used an app or service built on the OpenBank project's framework, your username and login credentials are managed by that specific bank or app, not by the platform itself. Start by identifying which financial institution or app you use that mention the OpenBank project. Then, visit their official login page and choose Forgot Username. Follow the recovery steps, typically by verifying your registered email or phone number. Once you recover your credentials there, your connection through the OpenBank project will function normally again. If you can't remember which service is connected, check your inbox for old setup or verification emails mentioning OpenBank project. These usually come from your bank or the app that uses the platform. Sometimes recovery fails because of mismatched data, for example, if your email or mobile number changed since you first created the account. Make sure to use your original contact information during recovery or update it directly with your financial provider before trying again. If you're still stuck, reach out to the customer support team of the app or bank that uses the OpenBank project. They can help you locate the right username recovery path. In short, if your forgotten username recovery failed on the OpenBank project, it's not a system problem, it's just a matter of going to the right place. Once you recover your credentials with your actual provider, your access will be fully restored.